Uchai, welcome to the garden of treats. And right now we're gonna harvest okra. You wanna harvest okra about 2 to 3 inches and before it gets too hard. You like okra? Something that's really good is dehydrated okra chips. So fire.
We're gonna get our dehydrator.
She up in there. Fire ants. Please don't bite my toes. Damn. I don't want no beef. I don't really eat beef.
Sharp.
The okra? Look at all them little guys. Little ladies. A lot of people don't like okra because they had it when it was slimy. Slimy okra isn't good.
So we got a lot more growing.
How many more growing?
A lot.
You can count. I'm gonna guess like 7.
7, 8, 10, 11, 12. That's just something that's improved. 16.
16? Okra is a good plant to grow in the heat, as you can tell. They very, very much love the heat, and so full sunlight isn't an issue for them at all. She's a hot girl.
So, yeah, it was with that mini candy purple.
Okay. Let me see him, please.
I'm missing one.
Look at that beautiful okra. This is our first season growing okra, and so as time goes on, we will become more efficient at growing okra. Make sure you like and subscribe to the video and share it with a friend, a cousin, a mama, a daddy, a grandma, a grandpa, a niece, and nephew. Rejuvenation of our nation is participation. Ain't that right, Martha Mar?
So we learned that you don't want to grow your okra this big. You want to harvest when it's smaller because it'll be tough.
Bite it like a dog. How's it taste?